Emotions run wild. Anger on the roads, envy on social media, fear in uncertain times. But imagine if you could master your emotions instead of being mastered by them. The Stoics, ancient philosophers like Marcus Aurelius, Epictetus, and Seneca, lived in chaotic times, yet they carried unshakable calm. In this video, we'll uncover 7 Stoic secrets to mastering your emotions. If you stay till the end, you'll see how these timeless lessons can transform the way you face challenges every single day. Number 1, control what you can, accept what you cannot. Epictetus began his philosophy with one simple truth: some things are up to us, and some are not. Your emotions spiral when you try to control the uncontrollable, like other people's opinions, the past, or even the weather. Peace comes from focusing only on what's within your power, your choices, your actions, your mindset. Everything else, let it be. Number 2, pause before you react. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Most people lash out in anger or drown in fear because they don't pause. The Stoics trained themselves to delay reaction. The next time emotions flare, breathe, step back, ask, will this matter in a day, in a year? That pause separates wisdom from regret. Number 3, practice negative visualization. The Stoics often imagined worst-case scenarios: losing wealth, health, or even loved ones, not to live in fear, but to prepare the mind. Seneca wrote, he robs present ills of their power, who has perceived their coming beforehand. When you expect life's storms, you won't be crushed by them. Instead, you'll endure with calm resilience. Number 4, turn obstacles into opportunity. Marcus Aurelius declared, the obstacle is the way. Instead of cursing hardships, the Stoics saw them as training grounds. Anger teaches patience, loss teaches gratitude, failure teaches resilience. Your greatest struggles can become your greatest strengths if you choose to see them that way. Number 5, embrace voluntary discomfort. We fear emotions like anxiety or sadness because we've grown too soft with comfort. Seneca advised, set aside a certain number of days, during which you shall be content with the scantiest fare, with coarse clothing, and say to yourself, the test is here. When you practice discomfort, fasting, cold showers, simple living, you train your emotions to bend, not break. If you can endure hardship voluntarily, life cannot intimidate you. Number 6, change your perspective. Events themselves don't disturb us. It's our judgments about them. If someone insults you, the words aren't the problem. Your interpretation is. If you lose money, the numbers aren't painful. Your meaning attached to them is. Change your perspective, and the same event transforms from disaster into teacher. Number 7, live by virtue, not by emotions. For the Stoics, emotions were never the enemy. It was the misuse of them. The highest good was virtue, wisdom, courage, justice, and self-discipline. When your actions are guided by virtue, emotions like anger, envy, or fear lose their grip. Instead, your life is steered by clarity, not chaos. Mastering your emotions doesn't mean suppressing them, it means transforming them into strength. The Stoics didn't escape life's storms, they learned to sail through them with steady hands. If you found value in these timeless lessons, subscribe to Stoic Gambit for more Stoic wisdom and motivational philosophy. Remember, your emotions don't control you unless you let them.